Bai Kamara Jr. was born and spent his childhood in Sierra Leone. The singer-songwriter is now based in Belgium, where he is organising a concert to be held later this month that seeks to raise money for the fight against Ebola. How will the money be spent, the money that's raised at the concert?
The money will go directly to Médecins Sans Frontières because they're involved in the ground, they're helping in the fight, they're the frontline soldiers, and the money goes directly to them, helping the nurses who are actually in the front line. Yeah.
Clearly you'll be raising funds that will go to the medical staff on the ground. Does the music itself play a part?
If a lot of artists, talk about these issues, people will be aware of what's going on, and also change the perception of this disease.
During your childhood, both of your parents served in the government in Sierra Leone. You've been following events on the ground. What really needs to be done at an institutional level to prevent this sort of outbreak happening again?
We need to shore up our health services, because what happened in the situation on the ground was we already had a health service that was not strong enough. So with the whole Ebola issue, the health system just collapsed immediately. So this should give an impetus for our leaders today to say, we got to get our health system up to scratch. And also education. Health and education, they go together. So I hope we have learned from that, and I hope we take some serious measures, our civic leaders and politicians take serious measures to make sure they improve our health system.
It must be difficult for you when you see the images, when you hear the stories from the people you know back in Sierra Leone.
We just finished a civil war, which lasted a decade. And speaking to people there, they said, this Ebola crisis is even worse. It's because when we had the civil war, we heard the bullets, we knew who the enemies were, we ran, we took cover, we tried to escape. You say, but with this whole Ebola thing, the enemy is invisible. The enemy might just be your friend. The disease might be lying dormant in a friend or family. This disease is actually eroding our culture because we are warm people. Our family is our support network. So we gather together. We like to congregate. We like to be together. So it really moves me because people are even afraid to shake hands.
Be afraid no more. Be afraid no more.